Welcome to Strength of Material Lectures by Civil Thinking, and today we are going to solve a problem on theory of parallel axes or theorem of parallel axes. So the problem is on your screen. Determine the moment of inertia of a triangular section having base 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter height about its base. So we have to find the moment of inertia of this triangle about its base. Right, now the base of this triangle is AB and the center of gravity is G. As you can see, H is the total height 6 centimeter, and we have to find the moment of inertia of this triangle about the base. Okay, the base is AB. Okay, B is the width 5 centimeter. Now we must use theorem of parallel axes in this problem. I will tell you why. First of all, let's draw an axis here. Okay, now this axis is passing through the center of gravity, right? Let me call the moment of inertia about this axis. Okay, I will call it as IG. Okay, now let me draw an axis here. This is the axis passing through AB. Now let me call the moment of inertia about AB as IAB. Okay, now we have to find the moment of inertia about base. Means we have to find, this is the base AB, right? We have to find IAB, right? We have to find IAB. Okay, now we know, normally we know moment of inertia of a triangle about its center of gravity. Okay, it is bh cube divided by 36. Okay, you know what, you have to remember this. Okay, you have to remember this always and always. Now, but we don't want that, we want IAB, but we can find IG, right? Because we know B is 5 centimeter, H is 6 centimeter. So how we are going to find IAB? Okay, here we are going to use the theorem of parallel axes. Okay, according to the theorem of parallel axes, IAB can be written as IG plus AD square. Okay, now A is the area of this triangle. Okay, so this A is the area of the triangle. What is the area of triangle? Half base multiplied by height. Okay, which is BH divided by 2, right? BH by 2 is the area of this triangle, and D is the distance between these two axes. Okay, where we know moment of inertia about this axis, and we want to find about moment of inertia about this axis. Okay, we know about this, so I need this distance. Okay, let the distance be D. Okay, now in a triangle, okay, if the total height is H, uh, this is the center of gravity, suppose. Now the distance from here to here, okay, this distance is H by 3, and from here to here this distance is 2H by 3. Okay, now our D is what? D is this, right? From here to here it is H by 3. Okay, so here we are going to put H by 3. Okay, now we know IG, it is BH cube by 3. It is BH cube divided by 3 plus, now area is BH by 2, D by D is H by 3 square, right? It is BH cube divided by, it is 36, right? Not 3, plus, now it is H square, and this is H, so H square multiplied by H is H cube, BH cube divided by, now this is 3 square, 3 square is 9, 9 2 is 18. Okay, now it is BH cube, I will put BH cube in common. It is 1 by 36 plus 1 upon 18. Okay, now when you simplify this, 1 upon 36 1 plus 1 upon 18, you will get 1 upon 12. Okay, so all of this is BH cube multiplied by 1 upon 12, right? Or BH cube divided by 12, right? So this is the moment of inertia about the base AB, BH cube divided by 12, right? IAB is BH cube divided by 12, right? Now you know B is 5 centimeter, H is 6 centimeter, right? And this is 12. Now When I solve it using calculator, I will get 90. Okay, 90, and the unit of moment of inertia is length power 4. Okay, here the length is centimeter, so it is centimeter power 4. Okay, so here we go, we found the moment of inertia to be 90 centimeter power 4. Okay, we have solved this problem. Now if you want to download the PDF, you can find the solution of this problem, the PDF format, in the description. And also, if you need help in any problem, in any strength of material problem or moment of inertia problem, you can contact me. The link to contact me is in the description. So all the very best. See you in the next class. Thank you.